traders, welcome to the TMT stock market strategy video for Thursday, April 21st. Well, we got another big push up. Market rallied and continued to rally with no real pullback in sight. The euphoria continues of pushing this market to all-time highs. We are 34 S&P handles away on the ES anyway. 2134 was the high. We closed around 2100. We're sitting here right now based waiting for Mr. Draghi from the ECB to speak, to tell everybody that we are going to continue to keep pumping free money into the system. And there we are. We are going to have a big party. Or maybe not. We'll see what happens here, guys. This is right now, this is the third time in my career that I've seen the euphoric of buying and continually buying, but not only just equities, right? Across the board, gold, precious metals, grains, crude oil, everything but the dollar, and the dollar's going down. And I put out a snapshot on StockTwits. Be careful, because we do have a nice big fat bullish falling wedge into heavy support. Everybody's getting long. The sentiment is extreme. Use caution. Very simple. Use caution in your trading and your investing. VIX, VXX, I'm taking the VXX today, the ETF, at the all-time lows here for the year, from last year as well. And the VIX VIX was at $12.76. That is extreme. So you have to use caution here, guys, because at any given moment, something's going to crack. And I do believe it's going to happen in the next 2 to 6 weeks. And it probably even sooner. Can't keep having this going up. And remember, we're up 8-9 weeks now for really what? No reason at all. So just be careful out there, guys, okay? I'm going to run through the indexes. Nothing really has changed. We're knocking on the doors of the all-time highs. And again, for those of you who know me, I could care less about what the market goes another 200 points. I'll just keep buying pullbacks. But when you have no real pullbacks coming into the market during the day, that shows me that there's just a lot of buying and very little volume for that matter, and for no real reason. Is there a catalyst to buy the stocks right now? No. We're fairly and fully valued in the markets. Stocks are expensive. And remember, I showed you that video over the weekend. Be careful, because the DAX is breaking out of the inverted head and shoulders. The Nikkei is breaking out, and the French CAC 40 is breaking out, the CAC. That's also breaking out. So you have to be careful. That is at a deep discount based on what U.S. equities are. So eventually, they're going to come out of equities. Money's going to get pulled out of equities and go abroad. So you have to really use caution as well, okay? So spiders, again, at the highs here, ready, knocking on the door of all-time highs. I would be inclined to start looking at, once we get a reversal and I could get that blow off top, I'd be looking to sell rallies. Not yet. I'm still looking to buy the market as we go during the course of the trading day, okay? Stick with the trend right now. The trend is your friend. Transports, IYT daily, you could see that we're right into supply again. And all of these indexes are looking the same, okay? Now, do the buyers that were stuck here and buyers that bought here are going to look to sell this market way up even higher? I would suspect that once the market does pause and stop and start to roll over, you're going to see an influx of sellers come into the marketplace, okay? All right, let's take a look at next chart, IWM. Okay, same thing. Downtrend, ticked on the downtrend line here. And again, you see all the supply areas here. So, again, a word of caution. Stocks above the 50-day at 94%. 94, guys. Stocks above the 50-day on the NASDAQ I believe it's at 87%. Very lofty levels, and these are the levels that you have to watch because that's where sellers start to come in. All right, diamonds took out all of our area here and now making back up to 18,000 in the Dow. So, again, use caution here, okay? A little word of caution. Qs, lastly is the Qs. Not quite, but into big supply here. So you have to, again, use caution. See this area here? Just use caution here going into the next several days. Draghi speaking at 8:30 today. We also have Philly manufacturing coming out numbers at 8:30 as well. So just keep a heads up, and then let's take it from there, guys. See you tomorrow.